Hello, this is Miss Anderson, and I'm going to teach you how to navigate through our portal and log into the BCMS Virtual Classroom Homeroom. Go to your Baker County portal, sign in. Once you're there, your icons will load. You're going to go to your Google Suite, and then you're going to choose Google Classroom. When you log in, you may have your apps here, or you may not be logged in as yourself. Here, I'm going to have to change users to log into my own Google Classroom. That's a little problem-solving technique. Once here, you should see your classrooms that you're registered for and find the picture that says Baker County Middle School Virtual Classroom Homeroom, BCMS Virtual Classroom Homeroom. Click here. You may have a join button. Our code is this 5YDAB54, and you should already be logged in to our Baker County Middle School Virtual Classroom Homeroom. Here you will see a welcome letter from me. You will also see at the top Stream, Classwork, People, and Grades. You're going to click on Classwork, and you'll see some documents that we've loaded for you here. The bell schedules, if you scroll down, you can click and open up our bell schedules. They're all in one document, so just scroll to find the one that you're needing. Also, we have the teams color-coded for you, so you can determine which team you are on. They're all listed here for you. And in addition, we have the virtual classroom schedule so that you know what time to log in to each class. All right, we also have an assignment for you. You can see the assignment here on the classwork page, or when you're in the stream up here at the top, when you click on stream, upcoming tasks or assignments are in the upcoming box over here. You can simply click. I have 7:29 a.m. on Monday. That's the time you should be logged in to your homeroom class. This will be your homeroom class. Log in, and there is a simple activity for you to complete. Once you're finished with that, you may log out and then log back in at your first period class. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you soon.